We have about 650 pupils. We also have a flying start for 64 children, and we have a learning resource centre based for pupils with complex needs. Our family support officers, we're really there to support families with any issues at all that arise that impact on the children. They go on the home visit with the teachers when the children are 3 years old, so they get to meet their families then. Also, our family support officers run a parent and toddler group on a weekly basis, so we get to meet new parents in the community and their children prior to them joining school. And we tell the parents, come into the school with any problems at all, whether it's you can't get your washing machine to work, you can use ours. If parents need a lift over to the hospital, for example, one of our family support officers can go and take them. If there's an issue with housing, or any other issue, that we'll be able to put them in contact with the right people to support them. One of their main roles is to build up good homeschool relationships and to support the family, supporting their child in any way that they can.
My role has been covering attendance, safeguarding, working with outside agencies like health, social services.
I have been focusing on attendance and engaging in activities with classes and encouraging them with their homework.
We've got a range of family activities here at Pembroke Dock Community School. Each class will invite parents in for parental engagement sessions. Then we've got group sessions working in partnership with parents on how to support their child at home. Then we've also got Find Out Fridays, just a drop-in session. Normally the local PCSOs drop in, so if there are any issues in the community, they can be shared. And we've had also the school nurse, the local doctor, it might be our Elenco who talks to parents. So we invite other professionals in to support families. The ELSA Family Programme came about talking to parents with regards to difficulties with children engaging in learning or attendance, and many parents spoke about needing support with mental health. We knew that we had a programme that worked well with children, so we rolled it out to our families and opened it up to say that if anybody would like support or working with your whole family, then to come in, and a number of people signed up initially. It was very successful, we had some good results.
So they're actually actively coming to seek support from us and outside agencies, so it's actually working really well. So if you've tackled behaviour and well-being and emotions, when they come to school then they're going to be fresh, willing to learn, they haven't got any worries or concerns.
It's helped my son improve his speech, his learning, like reading. There's been a major improvement of his learning, definitely a major improvement.
One approach that we have used to engage people with the work of the school and also supporting the community is our Dock Leaf project. It's where we ask members of the community who are not in employment or currently in training if they would like to come to work at the school as a volunteer for 2 days a week, if they would like to do a CCLD qualification working with the school, and we pay the fee for the qualification, and Pembrokeshire College will come out to our students and support them through the CCLD process.
We've tried working it out, sort of a conservative estimate really of what impact it's had on the local economy. We've had over 100 participants who've gone into sort of full-time work. We worked out roughly over a period of time that sort of pumped over £5 million back into the local economy. For our children, it's great to see that they've got people within the community working within the school, people who they know, they see outside of school as well.
So I was a parent and I became aware of the Dock Leaf project and decided it was something I'd like to do, and it was a way for me to get into school, to gain qualifications and to work with children, which is what I'd always wanted to do. I wouldn't be where I was today without it. If I can do it, anyone can.
We're really proud to be a community school. The community is absolutely at the heart of everything that we do. We value the community input into curriculum development, into how we can further improve the school, what other things that we could provide for the children, provide for the community. We're working in partnership and with good relationships, that it's not seen that the school is separate to the community, but it's actually that we are integral to one another. We want our parents to be successful, we want our community to be successful, as well as the children and the staff and all the stakeholders, and that's what we strive for.